this recipe, but I let it stay for more hours to increase the potency for the infused dandelion arnica oil. So let's check it out. So if you've been following the first video, you know this is the first timer. So this is the strainer that came with this magical butter extractor. I'm gonna put it here. And I believe this should work out good. But I did bring some other things out just in case. Alright, I have the silicone here. It doesn't feel that warm, but you can feel like something radiating from it. Alright, look at that. And I'm just going to set this aside. You really, I guess maybe because I let it sit for so long, I really need some. Alright, so this is the Arnica and dandelion infused hemp oil. I'm just kind of scraping out all of the herbs down into the oil before I tilt it over into the strainer. It smells pleasant. It smells pleasant. Alright. Okay, let me unplug it first. First, unplug it, okay? You should have did that first before we took the top off. Okay, now we're gonna pour it over into the strainer. Again, if you saw part 1 of this video, arnica flowers are really good for anti-inflammatory. That's why we're using this for pain reliever salve. Alright, so we're going to let that drain and strain for a moment. While that's draining, I'm going to go ahead and mix in the shea butter. So I used the double boiler method, and I have here a half a cup of melted shea butter. I'm going to pour it in this bowl here. And I'm using the shea butter to not only moisturize the skin, but kind of as my emulsifier, as a thickening agent for the salve. And it has great benefits also. Vitamin E, antioxidants, all kind of good stuff. This right here is lavender. I'm going to add about 10 drops to this. Lavender smells so good. And it's so relaxing. This is ginger. I'm gonna add maybe 15 drops of ginger to this, because this is gonna give it that triple trifecta anti-inflammatory. So we have the ginger, we have the dandelion, and we have the arnica flowers. One thing about being able to make products catered to clients, you're gonna get exactly what you want. because if it's too strong, then I know to lessen the dose. If they want it to be more, I just add more flowers and more oils to reach the desired potency we're looking for. Alright, so this is straining, and it's still straining. Put it to the side for a little bit. But we can talk more about Arnica flowers for a couple moments while this just strains. So another beautiful thing about Arnica flowers, because they have plants are made of so many different components. So we have terpenes, and you have subsequent terpenes, and the Arnica flowers have two subsequent terpenes that actually target pain, and that's why the flower actually works. So you have helenoline, and then you have dihydroxyhelenoline, and together they form this great pain reliever. So I can't wait to try this out, and I can't wait to hear some results. This is just about done, and I'm just gonna set it here for the sake of this video. Alright, so now I'm gonna mix in, well actually I'm just gonna pour it into here so I can pour it right into the containers. So this is the shea butter. Mixed with the infused milk. Oh, I really need a fresh spoon. So these ingredients are going to make for one great pain reliever salve. So you can just see how big this oil is, and the color, and the consistency. And you want to melt it down so you can get all the ingredients to blend together. So I'm going to fill my large containers first. And I'm gonna have a little extra left, which is great. And I'm actually gonna have these Sunday. If you are in the GA area, I'll be at the Artsy Garden in East Point, 927 Reed Street at 10 a.m. and I'll have these for sale there. So these are gonna sit for a moment and chill. I'll come back for another video and show you what they look like once it has been solidified. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Again, this is a Dandelion Arnica pain reliever salve, and I can't wait to try it out. Till next time.